Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the magic of Google Search. We're going to uncover exactly how it manages to sift through hundreds of billions of pages to find your exact answer in the absolute blink of an eye. What feels like a simple everyday tool is actually one of the most complex engineering systems humanity has ever built. So let's break down exactly how it pulls this off. Think about it. Every single day, we casually toss billions of questions at Google. We ask about tomorrow's weather, who invented the telephone, or how airplanes actually fly, right? And we just expect it to navigate this endless ocean of information instantly. To put that scale into perspective, there are hundreds of billions of web pages out there. We're talking news articles, blogs, online stores, obscure research papers, cat forums, just an unimaginably vast landscape of data. And yet Google somehow knows exactly where to find the single page you're looking for.
And here is the real kicker. It somehow manages to deliver that perfect page to you in about 0.32 seconds. That is literally less time than it takes you to blink. It's a feat of scale that almost feels impossible when you really stop and think about it. How on earth can any system look through hundreds of billions of documents that fast?
Well, here's the paradigm shift. You might think Google is out there frantically searching the live internet the exact second you hit enter. But if it actually did that, if it searched the live network of computers spread across every single continent for your specific query, we'd be waiting hours for a single result. So instead, it searches its own meticulously organized index. It takes mere milliseconds because Google already knows where almost everything is before your fingers even touch the keyboard.
Section 1. The world's biggest library. Let's see how Google actually builds and maintains this massive digital collection.
Imagine trying to find a specific quote in a library of 100 billion books. If someone asked you to find every book that mentions, say, black holes, opening them one by one would literally take decades. To solve this, Google uses something called Googlebot. Now, this isn't a physical robot rolling around a server room. It's a tireless, specialized software program designed to just constantly explore the web. You can kind of think of the internet as a massive, sprawling city. Every building is a website, every room inside is a web page, and the roads connecting them all, those are the hyperlinks.
So let's look at how this builds through a process known as crawling. Step 1, Googlebot starts at just one web page. Step 2, it reads that page and then follows every single link it can find. Step 3, it branches out to explore millions of connected websites all at once. And you know what? This process never, ever stops because the internet is always changing. Every single second, breaking news hits, stores change their prices, Wikipedia gets edited. If this crawling process stopped, your search results would be outdated almost instantly.
But just reading billions of pages isn't enough, right? It's got to be organized. All this crawled information gets poured directly into the Google search index. Think of it like the index at the back of a massive textbook. Instead of reading every page to find a topic, you just check the index. The Google Search Index analyzes the titles, the text, the images, the videos, and creates a highly detailed record for every page. It's honestly like having millions of highly caffeinated digital librarians working together. One is labeling science, another history, another recipes, all constantly updating as pages appear or disappear.
Section 2. Decoding human intent.
So having this massive index is great, but it's not the whole puzzle. Because, let's be honest, we are incredibly messy searchers. We misspell words at 3 a.m., we ask super vague questions, or sometimes we just type a single word, like apple. How does the AI know what you actually mean without reading your mind? Are you talking about the fruit, the tech giant, the record label?
This is where modern machine learning swoops in. Google doesn't just randomly guess. It looks at hundreds of signals dynamically. By analyzing context, current events, and what other people are searching for, the system instantly recognizes that if you type Apple stock, you are definitively looking for the financial company.
But conversely, it immediately understands that adding the words pie recipe shifts the meaning entirely back to the fruit. The AI has trained on enormous amounts of text, so it actually understands how we communicate. That's why you can ask it a highly debatable question like, is a hot dog a sandwich? And it understands the underlying concept perfectly rather than just mechanically matching the words.
Section 3. Ranking the best results. Let's look at how it scores all those pages.
Okay, so it understands your intent. It still has to pick the absolute best answer out of millions of possibilities. Google doesn't just blindly show you the newest page or the longest one. Its algorithms score every result in milliseconds based on hundreds of critical factors. Does the page answer the question accurately? Is the source trustworthy? Is it easy to read? Does it load fast? Is it mobile friendly? Are other reliable sites linking to it? Every single web page gets a score based on these factors. The best pages rise to the top, the rest sink. And this incredible sorting math happens instantly.
Section 4. The Global Speed Secret. Let's uncover the physical hardware behind this.
So, how does the physical hardware actually process all this ranking and searching so impossibly fast? Well, there's a huge difference between the illusion of search and the reality. The illusion is that it's powered by one giant supercomputer, searching the whole globe, with your request traveling around the world. But the reality? It's powered by thousands of servers. It searches localized data centers. Your request actually just accesses a nearby copy of the index.
Because everything is already organized and sitting right there in your local region, kind of like looking up a word in a dictionary you already have on your desk, the entire complex process is shockingly fast. Receiving your search, decoding your messy intent, finding the pages, ranking billions of possibilities, and sending it all back, it often takes closer to just 0.2 seconds.
So as we wrap up this explainer, just remember, the massive job of exploring the internet has already been done before you even touch your keyboard. The crawlers are constantly discovering, the index is always updating, the AI is always learning. This everyday tool is genuinely one of the most complex systems ever built to organize humanity's knowledge. And honestly, it should absolutely make you wonder. If a simple empty search box hides this much incredible engineering, what other staggering secrets are hiding right behind your screen, powering the rest of your digital life? Thanks for joining me on this one, and keep questioning the tech you use every single day.